Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6243.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.